Hello friends, my name is Mohit Mangal. In this video today, I will talk to you all about hotel management education in India. I will talk about 5 things, qualities which the child or the candidate who wishes to pursue hotel management as a course should possess. I will talk to you about the degree options available in India, the eligibility criteria for various degree options and courses, entrance exams which are there at the national level, and I will talk to you about the professions which one can get into after finishing hotel management as a course or a degree program. Starting with the quality check for hotel management as a course, the candidate should possess very strong practical and people orientation. The candidate should be good with cooking and serving, should have very good taste buds with extreme interest in different types of cuisines. Along with that, the child should have the ability to work for long hours in the field during the practical application. The degree options which are available in India include BHM, that is Bachelor of Hotel Management. There is a degree BSc in Hospitality Management and Catering Technology or Hospitality and Hotel Administration. There is a degree BHMCT, that is Bachelor of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. BTTM, that is Bachelor of Tourism and Travel Management. BA in Hotel Management is also available. BA in Culinary Arts is available. And there are also hospitality or hotel management related degrees in the area of BBA, which are there in India. As far as the eligibility criteria for hospitality management or hotel management course is concerned, a child passing 12th from science or commerce or arts, everybody is eligible to get into hotel management as a course. If you look at the national level entrance exams in hotel management, the mother exam is the NCHM-JEE, which is conducted by the National Council of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. Under this, there are more than 50 institutions, out of which there are 21 central government sponsored institutions, 20 state government sponsored institutions, and others are private institutions which take admission based on the score of this particular exam. Then we have IHM Aurangabad, which takes its own entrance exam. Manipal University, which is the Wellcome Group Institute, takes its own entrance exam. Indraprastha University has its own entrance exam. Maharashtra takes a separate entrance exam for state run institutions for hotel management. Then there's a national level entrance exam known as UGAT, through which a lot of private universities take admissions. Christ University has its own entrance exam. Then you have Oberoi Group, which takes a different selection process which falls under STEP, that is the Systematic Training and Education Program. Then Army Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology has its own entrance exam. JEHOM is another entrance exam which a candidate can appear for in India. Now, as far as professions are concerned, one can become an air crew, baker, bar chef, caterer, chef, confectioner, food and beverages manager, food stylist, front office manager, hotelier, housekeeping manager, pastry chef, restaurant, sales and marketing manager, or one can also join a vessel or a ship as a crew. These are the professions which one can get into after finishing hotel management as a course. I hope this video gives you some insight about hotel management as a course in India. If you have any questions related to this, please feel free to put your question in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer.
To know about the best colleges in India along with their rankings, you can pick up a career handbook related to this vertical from www.mohitmangal.com. You can also connect with us for personal career counseling. You can speak to my office at 7600 You can connect with me on social media at Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. My ID is IQUEMOHIT. Thank you.